Croeso i YnChwarae pawb, ac heddiw ni'n mynd i bod yn chwarae The Notzing Project. Mae gêm hyn gan yr un person oedd yn creu y craft of mine, ac roedd hwnna'n gêm eitha da, so gobeithio bydd fi'n hyn yn da hefyd. Das gweld. Oh. Oh, mae'n dywyll. Ydy o'n a torch? Yeah. Oh. You get flashlight. Whoa. Oh my gosh, mae'r sensitivity yn really isel. Ac hynna'n atgoffa fi o fel y starting room yn PT. Y demo. Hwna. Oh, mae'r sensitivity yn really isel.
We got the call the other day from HQ saying we were to shut down all power in case of an emergency. Most of us just shrugged it off, but I'm starting to wonder what kind of an emergency would require something so drastic.
So, remember ni mewn, like, research facility neu rhywbeth sydd wedi mynd mewn I lockdown. Key required beyond this point. Okie dokes. So ble ydyn ni te? Ydyn ni... Ydy hwnna, Space Invader? Oh yeah! Rwy'n mynd i'r Space Invader room. Okay. So ni angen ffeindio allwedd. Mae'r corridors hyn yn really hir a really dywyll. Elevator. Oh! Oh, rwy'n gallu rhedeg? Okay, nice. Rwy'n dangos elevator ar hyn, oedd e? Fyna. Okay, so ni mewn ar ystafell. Na? Sa'n siwr. Methu darllen y map.
There was a drill today so that we could be familiar with the emergency protocol. When we shut the power down, it dawned on us. The elevator runs on the main power grid. Are they really just going to leave us down here in the case of an emergency?
Yeah, hwnna ddim yn da. So, ydw fi angen troi y pŵr yn ôl arno? Dwi'n mynd lan y... Whoa. Mynd lan y lift? Oh, sa'n hoffi pryd dwi'n methu gweld like, y diwedd o... Oh, na. Corridors. Oh! Remember to eat. In case of fire, remember there are no stairs. Ah! In case of fire, remember there are no stairs. Okay? Ydy like a stairs, like, rhywbeth anomalous? Anomalous stairs. No skateboarding. Remember to eat. Oh yeah, pizza!
One of our failed attempts at telepathic television resulted in the TV set receiving what we believed to be a message from the future. I jokingly told Frank that he should put the TV up in the dining hall. I didn't expect him to actually do it. That stupid future pizza is starting to get on my nerves, but the interns seem to enjoy it. Oh, to be young again.
Heck yeah, future pizza! So hwnna'n yn entertainment the future. Yn hoffi yna. Futuristic pizza. Okay. Well, mae'n dweud, in case of you remember there are no stairs, roedd ddim yn lan y anomalous stairs hwnna. Neu lawr yr anomalous stairs. Mae'n mynd lawr yr corridor arall, gweld beth sy'n lawr fanna. Key required. Oh, okay. Mae'r corridors hyn just yn bach rhy hir bod mae'n like, oh, ydy yn mynd I diwedd? Ydy yn mynd I diwedd? Oh. Right. Ydw fi'n mynd lan y pizza stairs neu lawr y creepy stairs? Ydw fi'n mynd lan y pizza stairs. Y grisiau pizza, come on. It's not anomalous pizza love in. Oh god. Oh. Rhywbeth mynd I dod ar. Oh! Oh, nah. Future pizza dod nôl, please. Ti o fan hyn? Oh, meddwl if yna pizza ar llawr am foment. Future pizza dod nôl! I'm mynd I cau y drws tu ôl fi. Just in case. Are fi'n mynd lawr y grisiau hyn? Yeah, come on, let's go. Creepy stairs. Oh! Dyma'r un... Wyrf. Oh, god. Oh. Cool. Okay, hwnna'n da. Nice. Neu ydi hwnna da, oherwydd rydyn nhw'n loco lawr y facility hyn gan troi y pŵer bant am reswm. Ydw fi jyst gallu gadael? Hello? Rhywun! Symud y lift lan. Does dim button ar y bloody lift. Ti'n o difri? Does dim button ar y lift? Okay. Oedd fi'n hyn yn oren, roedd fi'n pigo lan... Na, hwnna'n porffor. Right, so di pigo lan allan o'r oren. Un hyn? Yeah, un hyn yn oren. Okie dokes. Oh, right, rwy'n gweld. Rwy'n gallu... Hwna yn y corridor hwnna. Lawr hwnna. Oh, jeez. Wrth gwrs, mae'n dywyll. Oes na, like, light switch na. Helo? Mae rhywbeth mynd I pop allan. Rwy'n gallu teimlo fe. Okay, let's just rhedeg. Face first mewn i'r danger. Oh, sa'n hoffi hyn. Oh, and un go, yeah. Oh god. Beth sy'n digwydd mewn fan hyn? Ydw fi gallu... Oh. Ydw fi gallu neidio? Na. Pam rwy'n methu neidio? O na'n... O, mae'n drws arall. Oh. Mae rhywbeth mynd I digwydd fi, ie. Oh, gosh. Oh. Gwych, okay. And fe'n mynd like a long way round neu rhywbeth. Hazardous materials. Biohazard. Les, mynd mewn fan na. Oh. Hello? Oh. Office room. Gadael y drws hwnna agor. Remember to eat. Nhw eisiau pobl I bwyto mewn fan hyn, ydyn nhw? It's not like we, like, rhywbeth mewn y bwyd. Oedd nhw'n rhoi rhywbeth yn y bwyd. Unrhyw beth... Lawr fan hyn... Mae'n mynd I bod rhywbeth ar un o'r desks hyn, ydy e. Hang in there. Rwy'n trio... Coffi! Mae'n empty. Come on, mae angen bod rhywbeth ar un o'r desks hyn. Mae'n mynd I bod ar un olaf, ydy e. Ar yr un olaf rwy'n check it. In case of fire... Yep, there are no stairs. Does dim grisiau pawb. Coffi hwnna. Ydy office hyn yn enfawr? Oh na, mae'r drws yna ar... Agor. Hello? Oh yes! Yr administrator's desk.
We just ran some early tests on them. Well, everything went as expected, but they did exhibit a particularly strange behavior. Despite being powered off, they seem to have the ability to generate their own power and even power nearby electronics. I believe this has something to do with the... What? Yes, sir. It is very unpredictable, and we will be fixing it for all future iterations.
Pwy ydi they? Beth yn nhw'n mynd I trysio? Oh, god. Oh, na. Os rwy'n meddwl... Os rwy'n gywir, ydy like a weird like creatures yn hyn mynd I like pwer y golau arno pryd nhw'n cerfyd neu rhywbeth? Bydd hwnna'n terrifying os wyt ti just gallu gweld, you know, golau yn troi arno. Oh! Rwy'n fi ddim... Rwy'n fi ddim expecto hwnna I agor. Hello. Oh, na, hyn yn... Oedd yn hoffi hyn. Di yna party hats? No, just gwydr. Don't forget, today is lab cleanup day. We want all workstations cleaner than you found it. Than you found them for the client. That means you too, Jeremy. Yeah, Jeremy. Clean your desk.
The client came to visit the lab today. The whole team was on edge. His personality is not menacing, but something about him seems off.
Oh.
Logically, there is no reason we should be nervous around him, but maybe not everything is logical.
Yeah, maybe not everything is logical. Hwnna'n logical. Oh. God, beth sy'n mewn fan hyn? Test chamber neu rhywbeth?
This technology is fascinating. I have taken a few spare TVs and incorporated what I like to call the Tesla effect. By placing them near each other, they're able to wirelessly share an electric signal, which has a range of about 3 meters. The client wouldn't have approved of it, but I think some incredible technology could be born out of this.
Huh, so... y teledu's gallu pweru ei. Oh, na, pam. A dy fi eisiau mynd mewn fan hyn? Hello, teledus. Okay, na, rwy'n eisiau hwnna. Okay. So mae'r teledus gallu pweru ei hun, ac nhw gallu dangos pizza shows o'r dyfodol. Hwnna'n eitha cool. Rwy'n hoffi ar y teledus. Rwy'n eisiau'r future teledu. Troi y pŵer arno. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh, sut fi'n troi around? Oh my gosh. Beth sy'n digwydd? Have fi gael hwnna mewn fan hyn nawr? Na. Na. Anga banga, rwy'n fi'n cloi y drws hwnna. Rwy'n fi'n cloi hwnna. Pam dyn agor? Oh, God. Oh. Right, nawr ble ydw fi'n mynd? Un o'r rhain? Na. Oh. Ah, yeah, allwedd.
We will be finishing the Notzing project tomorrow, and subsequently running our final tests with it. Our intern, Joey, has volunteered to be the first one to try it out, given how much of a TV buff he is. I'm leaving a spare key to the purple sector in my office, just in case he backs out.
Oh. So, ydy hwnna beth rwy'n digwydd rwy'n nhw'n gwneud test o rhyw project. Alright, let's mynd i'r purple room. fi'n meddwl fi'n clywed rhywun yn, like, cerdded. A bwys fi fan'na. Ooh. I've got him under hazardous room. Nah. Right, let's mynd i'r porffor. Yr ystafell porffor. Ooh, dyma fe. Ydy, like, pob section cael pwer ei hun? Pam? Okay. Ceifin fan'na. Oh. Oh. Ooh, beth di hyn? Hello? O na! O na, hwnna ddim yn grisiau. Hwnna ddim yn cyfri fel grisiau, ydy e? O, ma'na tap. Hello?
Miss Rebecca stopped showing up to work a few days ago. I suspected she might be sick. However, I overheard some of my colleagues saying something about how she was taking some risks by opposing the client's orders. Note to self, do not get on the client's bad side.
Neu oedd hi'n mynd missing mewn y teledu. Oh. Ble mae hyn yn mynd? Na. Oh, na, roedd ddim yn hoffi hyn. Beth oedd fy ffordd arall, ddo? Oh, generator room! Yay! Na, roi'n fine, roi'n hoffi hyn. Yay! Wow. Architecture diddorol mewn fan hyn. Right, let's mynd nôl lan ac edrych rownd y purple. Ystafell porffor, dipyn fach mwy. Actually, let's mynd ffordd hyn. Ydy drws hyn ar... Yeah, wedi cloi. Alright. Nôl i'r ystafell porffor. Oh! Roedd fi'n meddwl, I was like, wait... Roedd fi'n dod y ffordd fan'na? Uh-oh. Hazardous materials. Okay. Meth mynd ffordd fan'na. Okay, so I'm mynd nôl allan te. Nôl i'r drws cyntaf. Dyma ni nôl at y ffordd porffor. Let's go. Le mae'r future pizza? Rwy eisiau fy future pizza. Come on. Os does dim future pizza, mae'n mynd i bod yn drist. Hello? Future pizza?
The Notzing project. Final test. Are you ready, Joey? Alright. Begin phase 1.
Ydy hwnna ar pen
Phase
rhywun?
2. Activate the television. What? This isn't right. These readings are off the charts. Joey! Get in there and get that thing off his head, quick! You need an immediate emergency shutdown.
Oh, nah. Activate elevator. Are you gonna really activate elevator? Oh, nah! Yeah, hwnna'n ar person. What the hell? Hello. I will... Fi eisiau... Tynnu hwnna? Okay, rai angen troi y pwyr arno. Oh, na. Hyn ddim yn da. So nhw di roi y future pizza teledu ar pen rhywun. Hwna'n ddiddorol. Ie, mae'n ffordd lawr. Oh, big generator room. Oh, shh. Oh, mae wedi diflannu. Mae'r drws mynd I cau. Na? Okay. Oh! What a banging tune. Wait, are they already? Okay. So my... Okay, so gwasgu hwnna.
Announcing project.
Oh, nah.
Final test.
Shut up!
Are you ready, Joey?
So hwnna'n...
Alright.
Okay, so ti gwasgu hwnna ti marw, basically.
Phase 2. Activate
Neu
the
os rwy'n just gwasgu fe unwaith?
What? This isn't right. These readings are off the charts.
Na, never mind.
Joey! Get in there and get that thing off his...
Okay, rwy'n methu gwasgu'r button am yr elevator. Let's just rhedeg lawr fan hyn. Mae drws arall? Beth sy'n mewn y drws hyn? O, mae wedi cau! Na, mae wedi cau. Oes na unrhyw beth mewn fan hyn? Oh, na. Ner fi angen just troi y pŵer. Be fi'n gwneud? Ydw fi just troi y pŵer yn ôl bant? Oh, mae'n y drws fan'na! Fi ddim gweld y drws fan'na. Oh, hwnna wedi cael hefyd. Beth yn y byd ydw fi'n gwneud? Ydw fi'n mynd mewn fan hyn? Ydw fi just redeg? So beth yn y byd ydw fi'n gwneud nawr? Rwyf y drosau ar gau. Oh, na. Oh, na. Mae'r... Okay. So hyn yn y ffordd rhaid yn mynd. Mae'r corridor wedi... Oh, na! Na, rwyf yn y corridor fi'n dod lawr. Beth os rwy'n mynd nôl... Oh. Hwnna'n y audio tape rwy'n cael o'r dechrau, rwy'n meddwl. Probably.
There was a drill today so that we can be familiar with the emergency protocol.
Let's be nôl i'r
Shut the power
pizza.
down.
Huge pizza! Na? Alright, let's mynd nôl fan hyn. Right, mae angen bod rhywbeth mewn fan hyn rhaid gwneud. Os rwy'n just cerdded ffordd hyn. Oh! Sa'n siŵr beth sydd wedi digwydd? Ydy hyn fod i digwydd? Let's trio hwnna eto? So os rwy'n cerdded lawr fan hyn, ydy hwnna'n just llafu? Na, oce. Let's mynd lawr fan hyn. Falle rwy wedi colli rhywbeth. Oce, chat, rwy'n cael e. So ti angen gwneud hyn, a ti just angen, like, just... Basically just rhedeg. Paid just, like, dawnsio. Fel rwy'n fi'n gwneud. Oh, na. Ooh! Oh, mae'n rhaid agos. Ble mae'r drws? Oh! Ble mae'r drws? Mae'r corridor hyn. Hirach nawr rwy'n cofio. come on. Okay. Oh! Mae'r drws ar agor. Nice. Yeah, dewch ati. Come on. Dewch ati. Banger o tiwn, though. Mae'n hoffi'r can hyn. Ta-ra, buddy. Ta-ra. Hwyl fawr. Nos da. Cael hwnna. Hwyl fawr. Dyma ni. The Notzing Project. Rwy'n fawr yn game eitha hwyl. Rwy'n hoffi hwnna. Created by Adam Pixeldo Warrell. Hey. Sorry, hwnna'n bai fi yn bod yn twp. Hwnna'n bai fi yn bod yn twp. Am ddim just meddwl like, oh, mae'n dod atai. Just cerfyd nôl. Hwnna'n game. Rwy'n enjoy hwnna. Rwy'n really da. Made in 2 months with a haunted PS1 game jam. Wow. Nice. Rwy'n hoffi like yr lore, like y teimlad o'r lore rwy'n nhw'n creu yn y game hyn. Ac yr diolch am chwarae. Yeah. Ac yr teimlad o'r spookiness o'r game. Rwy'n hwnna'n really da. So roedd hwnna'n y Notzing Project. Roedd fi'n really joio hwnna. Yeah, bai fi am bod yn top ar y diwedd. Ond yeah, roedd fi'n really joio hwnna. Gobeithio ti lot yn gwylio wedi joio fe hefyd. Ac os oes unrhyw yn cael unrhyw awgrymiadau am gemau horror indie ti eisiau gwylio fi chwarae, just rhoi nhw lawr yn y comments ac yeah, bydd fi'n chwarae nhw. So yeah, diolch am gwylio. Gweld i gyd yn y fideo nesaf. Hwyl fawr.